Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that I haven't done a video in song. It's just because I've been busy at school and I had soccer practice. But I'll try to make more videos for you guys because you love them and you know that I make awesome videos. So today, comment down below what you guys got for Christmas Day and Christmas Eve, and let's just get on to the video. So today, guys, I am going to be opening Twisty Petz that I've never done on my channel before, but I'm going to be doing them. Here's the back. So if you guys don't know what Twisty Petz are, they're basically you pull them, the tails and the head, and they turn into a bracelet. And then once you do that, you could reform back it into the animal. So they're really cool. And their names are Razzle Elephant and Popsicle Puppy. But this one's a limited edition. And I'm so happy because I never got a limited edition before. Or this one. And there's a mystery one right there. And I'm also going to be opening, yeah, you guys probably love, I'm going to be opening a Unikitty Lego set that I never done on my channel before either. It comes with 214 pieces, 6 to 12, ages are 6 to 12, and the character names are Unikitty, Prince Puppycorn, Master Fran, and Hawk Doodle or Hawkadoodle. And this set is the party time one, and I think it's Unikitty's birthday, but I do not know. So yeah, so let's get started. So I'm going to be opening the Twisty Petz first. So let's see what I get. That was easy. That was easy and fast. And a panda right here. And I also have it's in the back. Yeah. I have Dazzling Deer too. I also have Dazzling Deer right there, the deer. And I also have Bubbles the turtle. So I basically have 6 Twisty Petz right now. So trying to find the lion. What's up right here? Lion. Is there a lion? Nope, that's not kind of lion that we're looking. Let's turn into the back and hopefully I find it. Where is it? I don't think they're gonna have it because it came in a big pack. So yeah. So I'm gonna teach you how this is going to work. So you wanna pull the head, I already did. So you wanna build it like this. So the important beads are, I'm going to be telling you. The big piece, the teal piece, the other blue piece, which are they are called. This one's the back round bead, this is the body bead, and this is the front round bead. So those are the important beads that you need to know. So you want to take it and get the body part bead and get the front round bead. So you want to go like this, put it together. I think you twist it 6 times and then it'll go. So then you want to twist it again to the back like this, and then that's how it'll turn out, just like all the other ones, like this one, and this one. So now let's do this one. So we're just gonna do the same thing to it. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Oh, like that. And you wanna do the same thing to the background bead. And yeah, that's what our Twisty Petz to the Unikitty Lego set. That is 240 pieces. So let's see. I'll just open it. Gosh, that was easy. Really easy. Whoa. These are cool. Hey, what's in here? I found something. Little stickers. Booklets. Wow. Those are really cool. So let's get the characters out and we'll just build those characters. So this is the booklet. They tell you how to build the characters like Unikitty. They tell you how to build it. And not Puppycorn, Master Fran, Hawkadoodle. He has lots of body parts, so you may take along. And then next is going to be, he has long stuff. Well, and then next will be the table. And yeah, so let's just get the characters on. Super excited. Let's get the characters. Nope. I think the characters are in here. Because it says they're supposed to be Puppycorn, so I don't think Puppycorn's in this one. I think Puppycorn's in the second bag, so we have to find out. Ooh, so let me get the booklet. And I'm going to need the booklet. So first I want to build the hot guy because I think the hot guy is going to take longer. So let's just go to the hot guy. So the first piece on the hot guy is to get this black piece, and we need 2 yellow pieces that are in here. Let's open this. We need to get them like this. There you go. We need to get these 2 pieces, and we are just going to go like this. These are his feet. Okay, that was good. Easy. Next, we are going to be needing these 2 of the, I don't even call them feet, so they could make his feet. Just like that. Next step, let's turn the pages. We're going to be needing right here. It says we need to add, where's the piece? Oh, right here. Right here. We're going to need this piece. And it says in the booklet to add it like this. Oh, wait. Backwards. Like this. Next, it says in the booklet to grab these 2 black pieces of the bricks. And wait, yeah, 2 of them. So it could like cover on these 2. So here's the other one. Arm. No, it's not called a feather. It is a feather. And then you gotta take this and stick it in here. And then you're done. And then we have the Hawkadoodle guy. Okay, here he is. And there you go. Here's the Hawkadoodle guy. I'll show you from the front and to the back. He looks super awesome. So now let's build Unikitty. Stay up, Hawkadoodle. So let's build Unikitty. Okay, and then you have to get her horn like that. And then you're gonna get the little body part. Get the little green thing. Stick it like that. Oh, she's so cute. Unikitty, Unikitty. This is Unikitty, the main character in the show. Now, let's build this guy. I don't know what you call him. Oh yeah, Master Franz. So let's get Master Franz pieces. Then it says this way, this way, this way. Like this. Master Franz, Master Franz. Let's turn the page. And he needs arms. Gotta get these two. Then you add them like this on here. So he has arms. And then we're done with Master Franz, Master Franz, Master Franz. Put them right here. Okay. Then next page. Don't need that. Next we are going to be making the present. Right here. Okay, so I made these two presents. And in both of them, and the blue one has a silver horn. And then the next one, it has a golden horn. So and right now I'm building the cake right now. So hey, that's on wheels, and it could go like this. Woo, woo, but not too crazy. You don't want it to go spill all over. So I made that. Let's turn the page. Yay, it's back to finally. Now we're gonna do another character, which is, I think it's Unikitty's brother, which is Prince Puppycorn.
What am I gonna?
And I think it's Prince Puppycorn. So let's open it, and we're going to bag 2. So let's open it, and we're gonna build Prince Puppycorn. Woo! Okay, so it says I need his legs, and then it says it's like the same as Unikitty. Where? Oh, they're in here. So we gotta open this little bag. It's like Unikitty, as you can see, she has these little white parts of them. So yeah, so we're gonna do the same thing to Puppycorn. I don't want to spill anything out. So, okay. So we're gonna add these on Puppycorn just the same as Unikitty as she had, as I just showed you them. And then he has red feet. So let's get those out. 1, 2. So we got those out. Let's put these on him. Okay. So the next step is kind of weird. Stay tuned for the finished product of the Unikitty set. Party time. Make sure to smash that like button, and make sure to smash the subscribe button, and make sure to click on the bell so you always know when I post a new video up. And I'll see you, and comment down below what other stuff I should do on my channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.